Here's how to block all pop-up ads on Android. Now first just open up Google Chrome on your Android phone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, whatever you may have. We can block pop-ups on here, but also block them in the settings. I would recommend doing both. So within Google Chrome, we're going to tap those three dots at the top right, and then tap on Settings. Now we're in the settings for Google Chrome. Again, we can choose to block all of those pop-ups within the Google Chrome app. However, we can also block them in apps as well in the settings. So from here, we're going to scroll to the bottom and tap on Site Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to Pop-ups and Redirects. All we need to do is switch this to Don't Allow Sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Now we've done that in Google Chrome, but let's also do it on your phone itself. This includes apps. So let's hop out of here and swipe up and get to your settings. Now within your settings, essentially what we're going to use is a private DNS that will block all of those pop-up ads on your phone. So what we need to do is tap on Connections and then towards the bottom, More Connection Settings. You'll be able to see in here, it says private DNS. This might say on or off, depending on what you already have. However, we're going to use a special private DNS to be able to block all of those pop-up ads. So tap on private DNS and private DNS provider. All you're going to do is type in dns.adguard.com. Essentially, this will block all of those ads on your Android phone. Just hit the save button, and now it should say private DNS, dns.adguard.com, and you're good to use your phone without any pop-ups on your phone.